A seminar and exhibition on air and missile defense is being organized on the 19th of July 2024 at the Air Force Auditorium by the Center for Air Power Studies, jointly with Indian Military Review. Ernst & Young are the knowledge partners. The event is free to attend for all serving officers of the Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary officers and DRDO scientists. The Indian Air Force is responsible for the defense of the country's airspace and for conducting offensive operations against enemy aircraft and other airborne threats. As a result, the Air Force often has a strong focus on air defense operations with the necessary skills, training, and experience to effectively command and control air defense assets. The future battle space will present a highly contested anti-access and area denial environment. The capability exists with our adversaries for significant application of non-kinetic and cyber weapons, augmented with the use of artificial intelligence to control these weapons. In this highly dynamic environment, rapidly escalating collision of highly networked and lethal forces will operate across an entire theater. Both offensive and defensive operations could occur simultaneously, with all domains heavily contested. Air Force weapons, on the other hand, are typically designed to engage and destroy enemy aircraft at higher altitudes and longer ranges. They include fighter aircraft, bombers, and air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. They are intended to gain air superiority and to attack enemy air bases and other strategic targets. They are also equipped with radar systems for early warning and target acquisition. In modern warfare, ground-based air defense weapons are closely integrated with Air Force weapons and other air defense systems such as radar and command and control systems, to create a layered defense and increase the overall effectiveness of the air defense system. The fields covered in the event are air threats and challenges, countermeasures, new technologies and weapon systems, communications for air defense, upgrades to legacy systems, indigenization and self-reliance, counter-drone and close-in weapon systems. Ground-based air defense weapon systems are typically designed to engage aircraft, missiles, and other airborne threats at lower altitudes and shorter ranges than Air Force weapons. They often include surface-to-air missiles, anti-aircraft artillery, and short-range air defense systems or SHORADs. They are also equipped with radar systems for early warning and target acquisition. The seminar will address the challenges faced by the armed forces in providing effective air defense with limited resources, complexity of components and subsystems, technological advancements, terrain, infrastructure, and interoperability. The event will be of particular interest to industry. It will give them a chance to understand the requirements of air defense and will provide an opportunity to showcase their capabilities. Come join us on the 19th of July at the Air Force Auditorium, New Delhi.